Is it possible to make abstract classes in Python? How can I make a class or method abstract in Python? I tried redefining _new_, like so. But now if I create a class G that inherits from F like so, then I can't instantiate G either, since it calls its superclasses _new_ method. Is there a better way to define an abstract class?
Use the ABC module to create abstract classes. Use the abstract method decorator to declare a method abstract, and declare a class abstract using one of three ways, depending upon your Python version. In Python 3.4 and above, you can inherit from ABC. In earlier versions of Python, you need to specify your class's metaclass as appmeta. Specifying the metaclass has different syntax in Python 3 and Python 2. The three possibilities are shown below. Whichever way you use, you won't be able to instantiate an abstract class that has abstract methods, but will be able to instantiate a subclass that provides concrete definitions of those methods.
The old school, pre-PEP 3119, way to do this is just to raise no implemented error in the abstract class when an abstract method is called. This doesn't have the same nice properties as using the ABC module does. You can still instantiate the abstract base class itself, and you won't find your mistake until you call the abstract method at runtime. But if you're dealing with a small set of simple classes, maybe with just a few abstract methods, this approach is a little easier than trying to wade through the ABC documentation.
Here's a very easy way without having to deal with the ABC module. In the _init_ method of the class that you want to be an abstract class, you can check the type of self. If the type of self is the base class, then the caller is trying to instantiate the base class, so raise an exception. Here's a simple example. When run, it produces. This shows that you can instantiate a subclass that inherits from a base class, but you cannot instantiate the base class directly.
Most previous answers were correct, but here is the answer and example for Python 3.7. Yes, you can create an abstract class and method. Just as a reminder, sometimes a class should define a method which logically belongs to a class, but that class cannot specify how to implement the method. For example, in the below parents and babies classes, they both eat, but the implementation will be different for each because babies and parents eat a different kind of food and the number of times they eat is different. So, eat method subclasses overrides abstractclass.eat. Output